Hey y'all, it's Andrea and Emily here at VW Family Farm. Welcome back to the homestead. We are on the mule out in the field and we are going to check cows. We have had some cow stuff happen lately that we wanted to tell you guys about. We need to go give them a look. Lane's been back here once today, but we try to come back here once, twice a day, something like that, just whatever time we have. So we're going to make sure all is well. The boys are actually splitting off from us. They're heading across the road to a herd we have over there, and they're going to be showing you some stuff that's been going on over there. So let's get going and go look at some cows. So we have had some updates on the cows. You may notice I'm back at the house. That is because we got back here, the whole cow vlog and updates were filmed, and then we had no sound. So I'm re-recording this part. That's just how it goes with filming. But we have had some updates on the cows. We told y'all, if you've been around for a bit, you know that the cluck wagon, we had a dog attack back there, and we pretty much did determine that it was dogs, probably a pack of dogs. And the fact of the matter is, now we've seen some evidence that they've been in with the cows. It's really hard for dogs to take down a bigger even calf, but they can definitely kill a newborn calf. Thankfully, all our calves back there are pretty good size at this point, so we haven't lost anything. Now, if we start having baby calves again, we're gonna have a big problem. But we have a calf and a cow both that have bite marks on them. That looks like they have been bitten and attacked by dogs. We've got cameras up. We've got cameras up that text us every time they take a picture so that we can be alerted if they come back. We've got to figure out where these dogs are coming from, what's going on back there. But that's the deal right now. We're just trying to do our best. We're moving the cows steadily back towards the house to try to get them back up here and watch them a little bit closer until we get this situation solved. We've actually seen some evidence of dogs in our yard even, which is a good little distance from the cows and the cluck wagon. We're about to move the cluck wagon back up here. This has just become a problem. So we're trying to get a handle on this situation. Thankfully, everything's okay at this point. And with the cameras up now, if the dogs show back up, we're gonna know in real time, and we can go back there and protect the cows.
All right, we're over at our other farm. This out here is actually some that we're leasing from a neighbor, and then we've got all of our cows and calves out here. They've grazed it down. This is the pasture they came out of a few weeks ago. Here's where they're gonna go. We opened the gates and Blue, she just went on in there. She wanted some salt and mineral. Our bulls are out there. We moved them the other day down the road. It actually went really well. We'll throw some footage of that in here real quick.
Instead of building a corral, we are herding bulls down, used to be an old dirt road. It's a nicer road now. Ben's calling them. They're following the truck like perfectly. We've got a hot wire strung up down there. Lane's sitting at the corner. That's an intersection, another little dirt road. And then here I am. I've got a truck up here on this hill. We're gonna try to get them to go in right there. And then we've got a corral up there. The thing is, they're wanting to stop and eat that fresh grass in the ditch. We got my mother-in-law on top of the hill watching. And we're gonna try to push them on in there. And so far, this is going amazing. Supposed to be 4 of them, and I see 4. Oh man, that is just working so well. And there they are. This is a neighbor's yard, actually. They let us graze their property. It connects to ours back there. This is actually, like I said, their yard. But we ran them up in here. We've got some gates there. We shut them in, so they are caught. How'd that feel? Something go right?
Perfectly. I mean, it couldn't have went no better.
No. So they've been out of grass for a bit, so they're just enjoying.
I dumped some grain.
Oh, you put the grain there too?
Yeah, the grain that I enticed them with, I went ahead and gave it to them right there.
Yeah. All right, so now all we gotta do is run them up that little road. Like I said, they're caught in this yard. There's a corral up there. There's an entrance that way to our property. We're gonna give them a choice of where they wanna go. These are the VWFF breeding bulls for this year. This littler one over here, he's hiding in the back. That is a full-blood, could be registered Jersey. He's the darkest one we've ever seen. He's polled, meaning he has no horns. He shouldn't throw calves that have horns. This one is Iron Man. Sing it, Ben. And then this one, his name is just B18, because that's his tag number.
What about there's a brand on this side there?
WF?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
We just need a V and another F.
Yeah. Iron Man. Iron Man's a puppy dog. He's nice. And then this little fella in the middle, y'all saw us get him last year, and we actually felt like we kind of had been had on that deal. We were told how healthy and great he was, and he came here and he was puny as puny could be. And we nursed him back to health, and he is, what do you think, Ben? I think he's looking pretty good.
He's looking better. I think he'd make a really good heifer bull. I think he's gonna throw
Okay,
small.
explain to beginners, what's a heifer bull?
A heifer bull is going to be a bull that's going to throw lighter weight calves, smaller calves. He's a smaller bodied bull, as you can tell between B18 and him. Substantial size difference.
So heifers can deliver their first or second calf.
Correct.
Yeah. Let's just call you heifer bull. How about that? Y'all want to see Ben pet Iron Man? He's like, I don't know about you, dude. He's sweet.
walking out here to get in this gap where they don't run over into this field. And then we are going to try the drone again. We've done that before over at the big farm. Worked great. So let's see how it does right here. Alright, Lane's going to take the drone off and get around behind them. Alright, and we have takeoff. Alright, he's got them coming. Yep, there's Limper right there. She's by the black-white face. Second there. She has gotten a lot better. We almost gave up on her, but we ended up giving her, I know 2 rounds, maybe 3 rounds of shots. Wow. Piece of cake. Alright, they are in their new pen. Oh, that's a pretty heifer. Uh-oh. I hear the bulls. Oh, that's the Jersey bull. Pretty much the one that we really don't want breeding. And he may get whooped up on, and the big bulls will take over. It's been a few months since they've been with the ladies. This one here is not her. That one's her. As you can tell, I mean, she's still got a limp, but before she wasn't even able to walk on it. Definitely getting better. You bully. Looks like I need some more mineral in there. Oh, you figured out that was a person. Well, there's still quite a bit in there. Can I pet you? Oh, you don't know about that? What? That right there, the reason they do that, they're checking their hormone levels to see if they're in heat. And here comes Big Daddy to check everything out. That's not Big Daddy. There he is.
everyone's growing fat and sassy. The cows are looking awesome. It'll soon be time, actually this month, to wean a few, and then in November we will wean all the calves we have right now at this point. And the best news about that is hopefully by November we will be completely debt-free. Again, we've been there before, and I mean everything, completely out of debt. We will owe no one, and we will own the herd of cows, which will be a really good income stream for us for years to come. So that's really super exciting to me. So thanks for going along with us. I feel like when we're out checking cows together that y'all are just part of our team, and I appreciate y'all caring. I appreciate y'all asking questions about our animals and caring and giving advice. We hardly ever have ugly, rude comments. We have some, for sure, and we just ignore those, but for the most part you guys are super kind. You give us great advice. You don't always have to just say, hey, I love everything you're doing. Sometimes y'all give us constructive criticism, and that is very much welcome here. As long as it's done in the right spirit, we welcome that, because y'all force us to think outside the box and learn and grow and do things better, and I appreciate that. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting our channel. The best way you can support us is share our videos on your social media outlets and get the word out about our channel. We are growing and we're so excited about that. And we just love having you guys on this journey with us. So thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless.